Welcome back to my channel. Donna Parsons here, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create a loan payment. So let's begin. I'm going to do it in 3 minutes, so let's start the timer. So the amount of loan that we're borrowing is $10,000. The loan interest is 7%, and the length of the loan 5 years. So we're going to calculate the monthly payment. Now we're going to be using the PMT function that is part of the function library in the formulas tab. So you want to left click on formulas. You want to come over to insert function, and in the insert function box you can type in PMT and click go, or you can click the down arrow and you can do all, and you can scroll down alphabetically, whatever is easier for you to do, okay? But we're going to do the PMT, and when you bring that up, it also says calculates the payment for a loan on the constant payments and a constant interest rate. Okay. So I'm going to click OK, and this is the box that you get pops up. You can also come over to your formula bar, and there's a little FX here. If you left click your mouse on that, it brings up the same box. So let's calculate the payment. So the rate of the loan says the rate of the interest rate for the period of the loan. For example, use 6% divided by 4 for quarterly payments. In this case, we want to do monthly payments. So the interest rate, which is B2 divided by 12. When I left click down to the next NPER, it says the total number of payments gives us the monthly interest rate is 5, so it's so that's B3 times 12, and in the PV that is the value. Okay, what are you borrowing? In this case it's B1, and when I click OK, I come down to click OK, it's going to automatically calculate the payment. So it's B2 divided by 12, okay, which is this interest rate divided by 12. The NPER is the number of payments times 12. In this case, it's going to be 60 total payments. And in the PV, it's the value. How much are we borrowing? Okay, so you can see that monthly interest rate, payments, and what are we borrowing? When I click OK, there is the monthly loan payment. Super easy. We did it in 3 minutes. If you like what I have to say, please subscribe. Thank you for your time, and thank you for listening to my channel.